Here's a quick tip on how to get your table saw sled to slide a little easier on your table saw. Grab a piece of wax paper from the kitchen and just rub it around on the surface. You'll see pretty quickly that the surface starts to become slicker and slicker. Grab your table saw sled. Do the same thing on the bottom of this. Get the rails real good. Usually you can see some spots where maybe it's rubbing a little bit more. Maybe you've got a kind of a rough spot on the table saw. Get that spot real good. Okay. Now flip your table saw sled over. Put it in and slides real good.